We have another SMT problem, except this time it's from 2021. We want to find the remainder when x to the power of 6 is divided by x squared minus 3x plus 2. We have to write this out to make this more clear. So x to the power of 6 being divided by x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equal to, like, a function, let's say f of x, let's say. So, like, it's a function plus the remainder, which it's going to be ax plus b. This is a first degree polynomial, but this is a second degree polynomial. The remainder is a first degree polynomial because you're dividing it by a second degree polynomial. So now we can make things a little more clear. X to the power of 6 is equal to f of x, since we multiply this here, x times x squared minus 3x plus 2. Notice you only multiply it by the f of x, since you don't multiply it by the remainder. So this is still plus ax plus b. Now we can actually factor out x squared minus 3x plus 2. So x squared minus 3x plus 2. By factoring, we can factor it into x minus 2 times x minus 1. Now we can plug these values of x, where it's 2 and 1, into here. So let's just take 1, for example. 1 to the power of 6 is equal to f of x. I know it's 1, but still. When you put 1 in here, all this is just 0, and then plus a times 1 plus b. So a plus b. So 1 to the power of 6, this is 0, so it's just a plus b. So this is our first equation. Now let's get our second equation from this x minus 2. So when we plug it in, 2 to the power of 6 is equal to f of x times, once again, 0. We see that these two terms have to cancel out, which, like, we do that to get only the remainder, since that's what we want. And then you add an ax plus b, and this is 2a plus b, since you're multiplying a by an x. Now 2 to the power of 6 is equal to 2a plus b. So we have our second equation. Now we can just, like, solve. So here's what we want to do. We need to solve for a and b, and eventually, like, the remainder. We can, like, just, start by solving it. Let a from here be equal to 1 minus b. Now 2 to the power of 6 is 2 times 1 minus b plus b. 2 to the power of 6, 64. This is equal to 2 minus b. B is equal to negative 62. When b is negative 62, so basically 1 is to the power of 6 is still 1, so 1 is equals to a minus 62. A equals 63. And now we can just put it into this remainder, or ax plus b. So our answer is 63x minus 62. That is the remainder. The x is unknown because it is a changing value, but we have our answer.